Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about key. Key is then another taxonomical aid used for identification of plants and animals based on the similarities and dissimilarities. The keys are based on the constructing characters generally in a pair called couplet. It represents the choice made between two opposite options. This results in acceptance of only one and rejection of the other. Each statement in a key is called a lead. Separate taxonomic keys are required for each taxonomic category, such as family, genus, and species. For identification purposes, keys are generally analytical in nature. There are two types of keys in taxonomy. Idented key. The idented key provides a sequence of choice between two or more characteristics. By careful selection of characters at each subdivision, and exact name of the organisms can be arrived at. The second one is bracketed key. The bracketed key also uses constructing characters like identity key, but in these characters are not separated by intervening subdivisions characters. Each character in this case is given a number of brackets. Flora, manuals, monographs, and catalogs are some of other means of recording descriptions. They also help in correct identification. Flora contains the actual amount of habitat and distribution of plants of given area. This provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area. Manuals are useful in providing information for identification of names of species found in an area. Monographs contain information on any one taxon. Now let us summarize. The living world is rich in variety. Millions of plants and animals have been identified and described, but a large number still remains unknown. The very range of organisms in terms of size, color, habitat, psychological and morphological features make us seek the defining characteristics of living organisms. In order to facilitate the study of kinds and diversity of organisms, biologists have evolved certain rules and principles for identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. The branch of knowledge dealing with these aspects is referred to as taxonomy. The taxonomic studies of various species of plants and animals are useful in agriculture, forestry, industry, and in general for knowing our bioresources and diversity. The basic of taxonomy, like identification, naming, classification of organisms, are universally evolved under international codes. Based on the resemblance and distinct difference, each organism is defined and assigned a correct scientific biological name comprising two words as per the binomial system of nomenclature. An organism represent occupies its place or position in the system of classification. There are many categories, ranks, and are generally referred to as taxonomic categories of taxa. All the categories constitute a taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomists have developed a variety of taxonomic aids to facilitate identification, naming, and classification of organisms. These studies are carried out from the actual specimens, which are collected from the field and preserved as a referral in the form of herbaria, museums, and in botanical and zoological gardens. It requires special techniques for the collection and preservation of specimens in herbaria and museums. Live specimens, on the other hand, of plants and animals are found in botanical gardens or zoological parks. Taxonomists are found in botanical gardens or in zoological parks. Taxonomists also prepare and disseminated information through manuals and monographs for future taxonomic studies. Taxonomic keys are tools that help in identification based on the characteristics. Thank you. Thank you.